Oh, all right, YouTube. Well, I think whenever it is I get back to work, the next thing I'm working on in this fucking car is getting rid of all the shitty wood trim. I gotta say, not a fan. Plus, I've already priced out new carbon. Be like 100, maybe $200, do the whole interior in carbon. Probably not even that. So, I don't know. We'll find out. The other thing I've been looking for, or I think I might try and do, I can get a replacement updated iDrive system. I'm not sure if it'll work for this car, but $700, it's a while out yet anyway. Get rid of this piece of shit and get a touchscreen. Hopefully it'll work with the original iDrive control. Like I said though, that's a while away. Gotta get a cup holder too. Still missing one of those. From there, I think I'm just gonna upgrade everything in carbon. And what I can't get carbon replacements for, I'll probably just get a carbon sticker for. And that's everything I've been looking at. That piece, there's a piece for that, all up in here. Replace that, all of that, handle, all the wood, all this. I found 4 of these. I found a replacement for this. I fucking love the sound system, so I'm not even gonna bother touching that. There's replacement parts that go up in there. And I think I found a steering wheel carbon piece to replace here. From there, I think I found a trunk, some fenders, and a hood. But those will be the last things to do. After all this body work and getting it on the road, I'm gonna put a GT style carbon fender or rear spoiler on it, I think. If I don't do that, then I'll just do one of the carbon fiber lips for the trunk. And just little things from there. Fucking rear seats have like never been sat in. Anyway, you all have a great day.